Hello guys and welcome back. So now from this video onwards we will start working on our player UI. In our player UI we will be having a health bar for our player. We will show the current amount of money the player have. We will also show the wanted level stars, and at the last we will show the current amount of ammo and magazines in each of the player rifle. Just like in GTA 5 it shows all of these things. Okay, so first of all we will start from the health bar. So for adding the health bar right here in the hierarchy, let's go ahead and create a UI canvas by the name of player UI. Inside this player UI, let's go ahead and create a UI slider. Let's name this slider as health bar. And as you can see right here, this slider has the fill and the handle react. So if we open this up, in here we have the fill area and the handle slide area. Let's go ahead and click on this 2D and let's focus up on this health bar. As you can see, this is the background fill area, handle area. We actually don't need this handle area, so what we will do, we will just simply delete it. Now we just have the fill area and the background, and from here as you can see the handle react is now missing. Now what we will do, we will show the health bar of the player as in red color, because in most of the game it shows it in the red color, so we will choose the red color. You can color this whatever you want. Okay, so right here we will just simply click on this fill, then go ahead and click on this color, and in here let's color it as dark red. Now if we click on this health bar, let's scroll down, and to the value right here let's increase the value. As you can see, the maximum value is 1 and the minimum is 0. So as you can see, when we make it 1, it reaches this point, it doesn't make it fully fill, as you can see. So in order to overcome this issue, just simply click on this fill area game object, okay, this one, and click on this react tool, and then just simply slide this up to this point. Okay, that is it. And if we click on the health bar again right here, we can now just simply do this, and now as you can see, it give us the visualization that yes, the health bar is working perfectly fine. As you can see, let me just zoom on this area and let's make it a little bit forward like this. So now as you can see, it looks really beautiful. You can also change the background of this health bar. For example, if we click on this background, let's make the alpha value of this transparent. Okay, we will leave it like this because in this way it looks really beautiful. Now we can just simply increase and decrease the value of it like this. If we check it out in the game view, here it is. Now let's try to move it forward backward. As you can see, in this way the player health will simply decrease. If we check it out on the maximize window, as you can see, it looks really beautiful like that. Okay, now we can just minimize the screen, and as you can see, we have a really beautiful health bar. Set it up really simply, and I hope you understand how to create your own health bar. There are some other ways. Okay, in our previous projects we use some other ways, but in this project we will use this way because this is really simple and it makes the health bar looks really beautiful, as you can see. And as you know that this is the clone of the GTA 5, so in GTA 5 the health bar is also really smaller and really thinner. Okay, so we will just leave the size of this health bar as it is like this, but we want to move this health bar to this bottom left area right here. So in order to do that, click on this health bar, then select this react transform of it, hold down the alt button, and then click on this bottom left, and as you can see, it has been moved to the bottom left. If we maximize the screen, it will just simply stays there, and it doesn't matter what is the screen size, it will also be on the bottom left side, as you can see. And in this way the player health will simply decrease. As you can see, it looks really beautiful right there. Now since we have the health bar for the player, now we just need a script in which this health bar will decrease according to the player present health. Okay, so with this done, I will catch you guys in the next one.